All right, guys, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and the 4th is coming up at the moment I'm recording this video, but it doesn't matter. You can make this any time of the year. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a classic macaroni salad. Man, it's delicious. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here, we have our macaroni pasta. We have some mayo, chopped celery, chopped red bell pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, chopped green onions, sugar, sweet relish, pepper, Dijon mustard, some chopped red onions, apple cider vinegar, and we got smoked paprika here. So that's all you're gonna need. This is a quick recipe. Let's jump into it. All right, to get started, we're gonna prepare our macaroni pasta according to the box instructions. So right now we're bringing our water up to boil. I've already salted it, and now we're gonna add our pasta in here. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes until it's al dente, all right? So now let's move back over to our cutting board and continue with the recipe. All right, to get started, we're gonna add our mayo here to a large bowl, our Dijon mustard. Guys, you can also use yellow mustard too. Our apple cider vinegar, sugar, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some smoked paprika. And all we're gonna do now is get that whisked in like this, or mixed in, since I'm using a spoon. All right, guys, take a look at that. All right, so now we're gonna sit this aside, head back over to our stove, and check on our pasta. All right, guys, so it looks like our pasta is done. We're gonna turn our heat off. I'm gonna head over to our sink. We wanna drain the pasta, and we wanna rinse some cold water over it to cool it down, all right? So now that we rinsed our pasta with cold water, we've got it cooled down, we're gonna take our mixture here, and we're going to add our pasta in here. We're gonna give this a good mix. All right, so once you have that coated evenly, you wanna go in with the remaining of your ingredients, like your red peppers, your celery, your red onions, green onions, sweet relish, and as always, I throw in an audible here and there. To add a little kick to it, I'm gonna throw in some chopped jalapenos, just for a little kick, not much, and I'm gonna get at a mix. And guys, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But what I did, I called another audible, which I typically don't call double audibles in one recipe, and I added some cubed cheese. So I got me some cheese, cubed it up like a half a cup, really, really small. I think that's gonna step up the level of deliciousness, and we're gonna get that mixed in like this. And we all know cheese goes with macaroni anyway, so hey, you can't go wrong. All right, that looks like we are good. Now let's get it plated up so we can head into quality control. Guys, and there you have it. Classic macaroni salad. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. So let's go ahead and jump into quality control for a quick taste test. All right, so we're back in here with quality control. Let's bring our macaroni salad to the front of the congregation. Man, take a look at that. That looks absolutely amazing. Man, I'm glad I added that cheese in there too. Let's go ahead and get that baby taste test. Oh man. Oh man. The peppers and the celery for that crunch and that cheese takes it to that next level. The only thing I'll do different before I eat it, I'll put it in the refrigerator, make sure that it's cold. I like cold macaroni salad. But this is delicious too. So guys, another one for the books. As you can see, I can't stop eating it. So until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.